Good morning and welcome to part 3 of our Liberty of the Seas vlog series. Right now we are arriving in Bermuda, and first up today after breakfast we have our shipwreck excursion. I'm really looking forward to this, and then after that we are renting a car from 3 p.m. today to 3 p.m. tomorrow. I'll have more information on that later because it's going to be awesome. I hope you guys join us on this adventure. Let's go. Back up at Windjammer to get some awesome breakfast before we head back down and start getting ready for our excursion. Is it good? Mm-hmm. We're all packed up and ready to go. Time to go hit our excursion. When we met up with our excursion group, we did receive some unfortunate news. The waters were too rough to go to the snorkel spots that they had set up for us where the shipwrecks were. However, they did have a glass-bottom boat that we were able to take a nice little tour of Bermuda on. We went to a great snorkeling spot, we saw some incredible views, and the guide was excellent. So enjoy some of these views and the snorkeling from our excursion in Bermuda. The bad news, the weather conditions were too choppy for us to go snorkel the shipwrecks. The good news, it's time for some Sorrentos and then to pick up our rental car so we can go explore the rest of Bermuda our way.
2 cheese and 2 pepperoni.
Yep. Alright, finally eating some Sorrentos. Just as good as I remember. Definitely the best pizza at sea. How do you like it, Britt?
It's so good.
Alright, now we're on our way to go get our rental car and explore Bermuda. Well, here's our rental car for the next 24 hours in Bermuda. It's all electric, gets the job done, but it's very slow. We arrived up at our first spot, and that is Warwick Long Bay. Not sure if we're going to get in the water here, but the views are just incredible. I'll definitely sit here for a while. Well, our next stop in Bermuda is Chaplin Bay, and this is a pretty awesome small trail. Very rocky, but it looks like it might lead to some incredible views. So let's go see at the bottom. Okay, yeah, definitely some beautiful views. Bermuda is absolutely breathtaking. I'm about to throw the drone up for the first flight in Bermuda. So let's see if we can get some awesome drone footage. So because we didn't rent the car until about 3 p.m., we decided we weren't going to go back in the water today. but we are gonna go back tomorrow. We're really loving this spot, so we're kind of just posted up. We got our towels out. We're relaxing. We're probably just gonna wait until sunset, maybe head down to Horseshoe Bay, which is just right over there. But we're just gonna take in all the beautiful views of Bermuda right now. So change of plans as always. We both didn't want to just sit on the rocks waiting for sunset because we still have a couple hours till sunset. So my new objective, and I don't think we're gonna be able to get down there, but I really want to get down to this beach here. So we're gonna try our best. Wish us luck. Well, so far we're having no luck finding the trail to get us down there, but we'll keep on keeping on. So there's some good news. We made it down to a beach, but we're not sure if it is the hidden beach. So we're gonna wander around. I think it might be over this way here. So we're gonna go walk that way and see if we can't find a way to get over there. All right, it was worth the shot, but I don't think we're gonna make it over this. We did not wear the right stuff. After failing to find the hidden beach, we're about to head back to the car and go to Gibbs Hill Lighthouse. We're gonna go see what that's all about up there. Hopefully it looks beautiful. And then we should be going to Horseshoe Bay for sunset. While we're on the hike back to the car, Britt, I can't help but think how weird this is, not having to worry about time going back to a cruise ship. Because this is our first time being in an overnight port. It's actually really nice. I mean, it's different, but I'm definitely enjoying it. What about you?
Yeah, it's nice. Less stressful than trying to get back on the ship.
I agree. So I know this was a bad time to switch to my travel zoom lens, but this is the car that we rented. I forgot to talk about it earlier. As you can see on the side, it's the Bermuda rental car. There's the number, if you want to call it. I don't know what the area code is here, though. But it costs us about $155, and we picked it up at 3 p.m., and we drop it back off tomorrow at 3 p.m. And it was only like a 10-minute walk from the cruise port. But here, check out the inside. There's the driver's cockpit right there. And then there's the little tiny seat where Brittany's been sitting. It's definitely been an experience driving this thing, but I do recommend it if you have an overnight port day here in Bermuda. Well, we made it to Gibbs Hill Lighthouse, so we're going to wander around here for a little bit. Way over there is our ship. We are definitely a long ways away from the Liberty of the Seas right now. The view up here definitely is beautiful, though. Glad we came up here. So what's really cool about this lighthouse, and I'm about to go show you right now, it was built in 1844, and it is one of the oldest cast iron lighthouses in the world. And now we're getting back in the clown car and we're headed to Horseshoe Bay. Well, we made it to the world famous Horseshoe Bay Beach, and we're at this little cove that looks incredibly stunning. So we're going to post up here for a little bit, waiting for sunset. guys, well, that concludes our first day in Bermuda. I will see you in the next part, which is day 2 in Bermuda. Thank you guys for coming along. Please like and subscribe.